Ever start learning something new, only to get lost in a mess of tabs, notes, apps, and flashcards? Even motivated learners lose momentum when the process itself is chaotic. Learning Mate is here to change that. It's an AI-powered system that turns your scattered learning into a structured, personalized experience. You set your goals, and it designs a complete learning path for you. Lessons, quizzes, diagrams, and instant feedback, all in one place. The magic is in its AI team. Sunny is your main guide, understanding your goals and progress. Then there's the teacher agent, which organizes lessons and delegates tasks to specialists. A quiz agent to generate tests, a feedback agent to grade your work instantly, and even a research agent that finds up-to-date information. Each agent focuses on a specific task, so your learning stays smooth and coherent. What does that mean for you? Feedback comes in seconds. Content is always current, and your learning path adjusts automatically as you improve. No more confusion, no more juggling apps, just a continuous, intelligent flow that accelerates understanding. Getting started is simple. Installation and setup instructions are in the repo, linked in the description. In just a few steps, you can set your goals and start your personalized learning journey. If this sounds like a game changer, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment telling us